Welcome to my video. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. Check my YouTube video description first link. This website latest discount you will get. Also copy the coupon, apply in the coupon option if you want. Click the shop now button, immediate 5, 10, 20, 15, even up to 50% off discount you will get. That will help you to save money. And monthly updated promotion like Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Holiday, Father's Day, Mother's Day, all the Labor Day deals will be added officially in here. If you check the second discount link, you will get thousands of new coupons, all updated and working for any website you want. Also specific for any individual website discount you need, you can search on the search option. Also left side you will see category based coupon you need, you will get for food, for software, for VPN, for vacation services, for clothing, for watch, any kind of website discount you need, you will get with confidence. So thanks for watching, subscribe, share this video with your friends.